Okay, welcome back to another video, everybody. And today we are making another one. No, excuse me, sorry. By another one, I mean another one of Lovebirds. Yes, she must remember it. It was about Frederick and his good kind of girlfriend. But this was a request from the one, the only, the Heat Rants. And you're probably saying, Heat Rants? That guy would never be friends with you. Well, I already said that he was friends with me, but he is. Now, I'm not saying his real name or anything. So yeah, let's get started on the video. So they were already dating, and Frederick was treating her like never before. He had a crush in first grade that just left, and guess what? He missed her so much. But now he got a new girl to pick on, and that was Mopey. Now, Mopey was really moping. The whole entire classroom was falling for her. They were like a bunch of fine orangutans. Like Bud, she's not a diamond. Like, stop glazing, you little orangutans. Like, stop. I swear, people were glazing her so hard. They were acting like she was not God. I swear, I've seen more people. I swear I've seen more people care less about a diamond than the boys at school care about her. Cause like they're all over her. Now, knowing Frederick Lamar was just too deep into her. Like, it got to the point where we were actually screaming our butts off. Now, I swear it got too crazy. Someone had to stop it. And no one could, cause they all ran for her, except like two kids, Heat Rants and me. Now, guess what? Fred was trying to make moves. Ah! Pun totally intended. He was making moves faster than eyebrow bead. Now, bro is getting close, telling her all the information. Not even doxed me. Now, I'll tell you something. She started liking other people instead of Bud's silly ass nerd face. Cause, bruh, Frederick used to be my best friend. But now, Bud's just crazy. I swear I can't even go to the store with him. He will literally see a girl that looks nothing like Sophie and say, that girl's kinda looks like Sophie. Like, no, the frick she does not. Well, that thing looks like a cockroach that escaped a condo game. Like, what? I swear he just thinks too much about her. Like, she does not like you that much, bud. Not at all. Cause, bud, you really think she likes you that much? Like, she only likes you a bit. He started showing off too. Like, nah, who even does that? I know he shows off, but he shows off worse than I do, and I show off more than Mr. Beast does. I show respect to Mr. Beast, by the way. So I was just saying. Anyways, also by the way, bro was really like boom, bop, bing, bop, boop. He was trying to isolate himself from everybody that he saw that got close to his girl. I swear, if he saw somebody even looking at his girl, Bud would pull out a whole minigun. Like, Bud, I'm just looking around trying to find something to play on the playground. You don't have to physically assault me for that. Like, what did I do? Look around? I just be trying to look around, look for something to do. And Bud really says, you look at my girl, you die. Like, I swear, it's not it's not that serious. Like, I'm 100% sure she's not even into you. By the way, I stutter a lot, because guess what? I'm a stutterer. And when I finally play something, I see him upgrading. Like, he upgraded to level 9 while I was like on level 3. He used to not be able to go up to the monkey bars, but then he turned into an orangutan monkey. Like, Bud, I can't even do that, and I'm bigger, stronger, and I'm a little bit bigger. And guess the big what? Bud still shows off, and I remember when people thought she liked Book the Gook. And you're probably wondering, who's that? Duke the Book. Duke the Book? Well, that's a story for another time. But then they communicate with notes. Honestly, I communicate with notes, but it was way crazier. It was like a big horror soap opera, cause there ain't no way. Bruh, when she put on that note, I like you, she didn't say I love you and I wanna marry you. She said I like you. I could say that to my friend and they would play with me like, good doing it. Like, she does not like you that much. Yeah, you really think she likes you that much, but really, you just look like a horse now. And then Bud started getting too happy. He almost take his dang pants off. Like, ching 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 ching. Bud, it's not that serious. But my friends said they liked me, and I didn't jump up like a monkey. I'm 100% convinced this meant everything to him. He probably told this to his parents and then got his ass whooped multiple times. Like, I could even tell Laura was gonna say, "Shut the big up, Fred. We do not care." And then when Bert found that out, he started writing on the whiteboard, "Boom, bop, bing, bing, bing. Something likes me." Like, what? He only kept it to me, and I thought it was funny as heck. Cause Bud doesn't know that I'm against him with this, cause Bud completely changed. Now, I'm gonna wrap this video up for later. Now, hello everybody, and bye.